Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. In this video, we will learn DHT sensor with web server. Here temperature and humidity will print on web page. Let us see. I have already created schematic diagram for ESP8266 and ESP32. For ESP32, signal pin of DHT is connected to GPIO 4, and in ESP32, in case of ESP32, signal pin is connected to GPIO 0 or D3. We will see programming. I have already opened here MuPyCraft IDE and I have created two files, boot.py and main.py. In boot.py, it is for network connectivity purpose and main.py is for sensor interface and creating web page purpose. So I will explain you first boot.py. I am using socket library to create web server and network library which allow to connect Wi-Fi with ESP board, and pin library because I am using GPIO 4 pin, so I am using pin library, and I imported here DHT11 class from DHT library. This is turn off vendor OS debugging message, and this is for garbage collector. This is SSID and password of my router, and here station object to create Wi-Fi station. Here activate station, and here allow to connectivity by using SSID and password. Here is waiting to connectivity. It will print IP address, and this is object sensor object for DHT11 which is connected on pin number 4. This is main.py. Here I am using ESP32, so I write here GPIO 4. If you are using ESP8266, then you should write 0. You can type the GPIO pin where you have connected DHT11 sensor. So I am using 4 because I have connected signal pin of DHT11 to GPIO 4. In case of ESP32, you can type here GPIO 0. Okay. Main.py. This is sensor read function, and it will measure the humidity and temperature. Here temp variable will store of temperature of sensor, and hum variable will store the humidity of sensor. It will calculate the percentage, and it will store the 2 digit after decimal point, and here if reading will not valid, so it will print invalid reading, and if sensor is not connected, so here it will print fail to read sensor. This is web page function. These are CSS code, and this is HTML code. This is socket library, and here response is web page. It will send respond by using send and send all function. Close the created socket. Now I will save. and connect the board. Come port 3. Oh, here I have to flash MicroPython firmware. I will press boot button. Okay, I will again connect ESP32. Okay, I will save and upload. Everything connected. This is IP address, and I will again upload main.py. Then I will open my browser. I will paste here my IP address and enter. You can see here temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and humidity is 95%. You can use ESP8266 using GPIO 0. There will be no any changes in code. You can use same code for ESP32 and ESP8266 code. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learn a lot of things. So please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.